my name is Jessica and I am TrailNails. I'm going to show you how to apply Color Street onto your nails. Go ahead and open the package. You'll see you get a prep pad and a nail file. Open the prep pad. Go ahead and wipe your nails down. You could also wash your hands instead, and when they're dry, you're ready to put your Color Street nails on. Go ahead and open your package. There's a little slit on the side of the package. Go ahead and rip it across the top and pull your sets out carefully. You'll see that there's 16 sets of nails. I'm able to get 2 sets of manicures and a pedicure out of one set. Go ahead and take the strip and match it to my nail. That one I'm going to use for my pinky. Pull the purple tab off, then pull the silver tab, then remove the silver tab from the nail. You're going to place your Color Street strip right above your cuticle. A lot of people like to fix your cuticles and push those cuticles in. Don't put it on the skin, make sure it's right above your cuticle. Now I'm going to perforate it with my thumbnail. I got my first nail done. Dry. Taking the other side and I'm putting it on my second pinky, right above my cuticle. And I'm perforating it with my thumb. I'm pulling it over my nail and punching it with my thumbnail into the back of the nail. Now I'm matching the next nail. I've decided to use an accent nail. We call these a sample or a twosie. Go ahead and pull the purple tab off. Pull the silver tab off. Remove the silver tab from the nail strip and place it right above your cuticle, not on top of the skin. I usually fit it to the bottom. I push the bottom down and then I go up with my thumb on my nail. My thumb is my tool. I'm removing any excess Color Street nail strip with my thumb. They look perfectly new. I'll take the other side and I'll do the same thing to that other finger on the other hand. You could lift the nail up and replace it if it is not fitting correctly on the nail. All looks good to me. There you have it. How easy was that? always, always do my thumbs last. If you have any access nail hanging over your nail, go ahead and use a nail file in a downward motion